Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to back up your iPhone. So step number one is to open your settings application. Now we tap on it once. Now the next thing we do is to, in the search bar, tap on it once, put in iCloud. Okay, iCloud. Now we need to open iCloud by tapping it once just as well. So what you want to do here is to find iCloud, open it, and now you can see that my storage is full, which means that I cannot back up the full memory, the full information and files from my iPhone, and only can do the 5 gigabytes from the storage I have. Okay, if you have more, you'll be able to back up more. So also, if you have this limited storage memory, then make sure to only back up the files that are valuable, that you really need, that are necessary to be backed up. Okay? For example, it could be photos, it could be your notes, passwords, mails, whatever that you deem valuable. Okay? Because your storage might be limited. Now, what you want to do is you want to go slightly down to this iCloud backup. You tap on it once, and then you need to turn on this backup this phone toggle by pressing it once. In my case, it was already turned on, which is how I want it to be. Okay, now we go back, and here you can see that in this section, I can tap on it once and I can choose what I want to have saved as a backup in future. For example, in my case, everything is turned on. In your case, you might want to only turn on some certain files or applications. And now we go back to iCloud backup, press it once, we go slightly down all the way here to this all device backups. See iPhone, this iPhone, we tap on it once, and here you can see the backup size that we already had before. For example, the photo library, 51 gigabytes on my phone, and the next backup size is going to be 50 more. Okay, so in this case, the backup is going to be possible. Now we go back, and if we want to back up now, we just need to press back up now. However, in my phone, in my case, it says that this iPhone cannot be backed up because there is not enough iCloud storage available, because I only have 5, right? And it's full already. So in my case, if I want more, I need to pay for iCloud Plus and buy more storage memory, okay? Unless I do that, I cannot back up the full storage from my iPhone. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and like this video.